Inner class. Now finally inside, all set now, ready to race. Good luck on your pick 5. And race on, Pure Joy, Alexis from the outside, Benissimo rushing up is Dima Salang, and inner class is the early trailer. Alexis from the outside is Dima Salang, Benissimo in between runners, and racing in fourth by about 2 lines, Pure Joy, inner class still running at the tail of the field. Passing the last 900, Alexis, Benissimo, Dima Salang is on the outside, Pure Joy. And rounding the far turn, Alexis, Benissimo, Dima Salang is on the outside. And as they race the last 550, Alexis, Benissimo, and Dima Salang on the farther outside, Pure Joy, as they race the final corner. Alexis, Benissimo, Dima Salang on the farther outside, Pure Joy down on the inside. It's Alexis, Benissimo, Alexis by the Pure Joy, Benissimo, Alexis, Pure Joy by the round. It's now Pure Joy, Benissimo, and nearing the finish line, it's going to be Pure Joy, Benissimo, inner class, Alexis, Dima Salang.